The Washington County Children's Justice Center and community supporters celebrated the completion of the center's expansion with a ribbon cutting on Monday, April 29th. The expansion comes in the form of a new building adjacent to the original Children's Justice Center and will house the center's expanded medical and mental health services. The center itself is designed to be a comfortable and home-like environment for children who are victims of any sort of abuse, where they can feel safe when interviewed by police about the abuse they have experienced. Based on the outcome of those interviews, the child is then referred to in-house medical and mental health care as deemed necessary. Washington County Children's Justice Center Director Chrissy Pike said it was the need to expand those services that led to the construction of the new building.
This is about services that were added to Children's Justice Center's plate of things that we do for kids after our current building was built. So when the current building, our older building, we will still do victim advocacy and interviews there. That's what it was built for. We added in new services, medical and mental health, that were not there originally. And we were making it work, but it was awkward. And this space is designed for medical and mental health. And so do we need the extra space because child abuse is just like growing at an alarming rate in Washington County? No. We need the added space because we're providing more services for kids.
Washington County Attorney Eric Clark added that helping children deal with the trauma created by the abuse is important in helping them lead healthy and productive lives and may also help them from becoming criminal offenders later on.
The more that we can help kids be getting the long-term help that they need for their mental health, that they can be working with their parents and developing the skills that they need in their family to recover and individually to recover, that it helps those kids, it's the right thing to do. It also lowers crime long term because statistically, kids that are abused, especially kids that are abused repeatedly, are much more likely to be committing criminal acts when they're adults. And so the more that we can be doing and investing in the victims of crime, especially in children victims of crime, the more we can help our criminal justice system years down the road by not having them in it on the other side of that.
Pike said the expansion was the result of 4 years of planning and support from various parts of the community who love the kids, and that everything coming together the way it did for the expansion's construction was a miracle. To learn more, read the story. This is Mori Kessler reporting for St. George News, your #1 source for local news.